All the kitchen waste like vegetable peels, fruit peels, used coffee tea powder, leftover food and non-veg waste can be converted into black gold called compost.
Do you want to know how to do that in an easy way?
Start by drilling 4 bottom holes into a 20-liter paint bucket by using 5 to 10 drill bits. Place it on a 16-inch plate. Buy a 4 perforated sheet from hardware shop and cut it into 2 feet by 4 feet. You can paint it with epoxy paint to delay rusting. Roll the perforated sheet and place it inside the bucket. Use a 16-inch plate as a lid. You can also use a mud pot instead of a paint bucket. 4 sand mesh can also be used instead of perforated sheet. For sand mesh, you may have to tie it with binding wires. You always need 2 such containers. You can use microbial coco peat like BioClean and Grow as microbial input. Remove the wrapper and place it in a bucket. Pour 1.5 liter of water and soak it overnight. Break it into powder. Compost, coco peat and crushed dry leaves are used as browns to absorb moisture in kitchen waste. Crushed some dry leaves for layering process. Diluted buttermilk or cow dung slurry can also be used as microbial input. Let us start layering. Add some crushed dry leaves, compost and coco peat to create a 6-inch bottom bed. This helps to absorb a lot of moisture from kitchen waste. Cut peels into smaller pieces, break rice flocks, remove excess water from sambar and curry. Do not dump kitchen waste, spread it evenly. Cover the kitchen waste completely with coco peat, compost and some crushed leaves. Close the lid. Place it in a rain protected place like balcony or in garage or below the water tank.
Make sure that no kitchen waste is visible through perforated sheet.
Fill one. Once it is full, fill the second one. When both are full, harvest first one after 1 month. The stuff in the bin would have shrunk by 40 to 50%.
It should smell like soil, an earthy smell.
You can also lift up the mesh to harvest compost easily. Keep it moist and use it to grow vegetables and greens.